In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the change history for your Google Drive files. Now, we all know how amazing Google Docs can be, especially when you're working with a team. Everyone can add their input, make adjustments, and collaborate seamlessly on one document. But what happens when you open up that shared document and notice that some changes have been made? Maybe someone added a brilliant idea, or perhaps something was altered and you're curious to find out who made the tweak. That's exactly when the change history feature comes in handy, and today I'm going to walk you through how to access it. First things first, you'll want to open the document that you own. Remember that this feature is only available to the owner of the document or those with the necessary permissions. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a set of options there. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of choices. From this menu, look for Version History and hover over it. This is where you'll find the key to unlocking your documents past. What you want to do next is click on See Version History. Doing so will open up a new column along the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. In this column, you'll see a detailed timeline of all the changes that have been made to your document. Each entry will show you the date and time when a change occurred, and if you're looking to pinpoint a specific edit, you can click on that particular entry. This will highlight the parts of your document that were changed so you can see exactly what was modified. One of the really useful features here is the ability to restore earlier versions. Say you see an older version of your document that you preferred, or one that sparks a new idea. Simply navigate to that version and restore it. Doing so will replace the current document with the content from the selected version, but don't worry about losing other changes. Google Docs keeps a comprehensive history, so nothing is ever truly lost. Also, if you're overwhelmed by the amount of detail shown, you can choose to show more or less detail. This way, you can narrow it down to only the most significant changes if that's what you need. And there you go, a quick, easy way to track the change history for your file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video, comment with any questions you might have, and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this one. Happy document editing!